She did not cook. Yet the court ordered rupees 20,000 every month. The story behind the verdict.
Let's go.
In the busy city of Mumbai, there lived a seemingly ordinary couple, Rahul and Neha. Like many newly married couple, they began their journey with dreams, hope and promises of a happy future. For a while, everything seemed perfect, but sometimes the biggest storms begin with the smallest disagreements. The cracks begin to show. As months passed, misunderstandings slowly entered into their relationship. One evening, after a long day at work, Rahul returned home. The house was messy. The dishes were piled up. The dinner was not at all ready. Frustrated and exhausted, he looked at Neha and asked, "Why have you been doing all the day?" Neha remained silent. That silence only made Rahul angrier again. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. The argument became more frequent. The love that once filled their home was gradually replaced by resentment. Eventually, they began living separately. And Rahul carried one question in his mind every day, that is, if she does not cook, does not clean, and does not take care of the household, why should I support her financially? Determined to seek an answer, he took the matter to the court. The courtroom. Inside the courtroom, Rahul expressed his frustration. He spoke about his struggles, he spoke about his expectations, and he spoke about what he believed were responsibilities that had not been fulfilled. There was disappointment in his voice, pain in his words, and anger in his heart. Then the court asked a simple question: does your wife have sufficient income to support herself? The answer was no. The courtroom fell silent. After considering the fact, the court made an observation. It said, marriage is not a service contract. A husband is not an employer. A wife is not an employee. Marriage is a partnership between equals. The court further held that maintenance is meant to ensure financial support and dignity, not to reward or punish someone for household work. And so the court directed the husband to pay rupees 20,000 per month as a maintenance. The internet reacts. The verdict quickly spread across the social media, and as expected, the narration was divided. The nation was divided. Some people said this is unfair to men. Others argued financially security for a woman is essential, especially when they have no independent income. The debate became louder, the opinion became stronger, but perhaps everyone was focusing on the wrong question. The bigger question is, the real issue is not rupees 20,000, but the real issue is, what is marriage? Is it merely an exchange of services, or a relationship where one person earns and other performs household duties? Or is it a partnership built on mutual respect, support, and shared responsibilities? A lesson for the society. Today, society often finds itself divided into two camps. One speaks about men's rights and other speaks about women's rights. But maybe the truth lies somewhere in the middle, because every marriage is different. Every family has its own struggles, and every story has two sides that the public rarely gets to see. Perhaps the saddest part of this story is not the court case, it is the fact that two people who once promised to spend their lives together ended up standing on the opposite side of a courtroom. Because when a marriage reaches the courtroom, there are rarely any winners. In one way or another, both the people lose something valuable, and no court judgment can fully restore a relationship once trust has been broken. Call to action. What do you think about this case? Was the court decision fair? Should household responsibilities affect maintenance? Is marriage a partnership or a set of duties? Share your opinion in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.